Hello friends, today I'm going to read you a book called Birds. See that word there? Birds. And the pictures and the words are by Carme Lemniscatis. I hope that's how you say that name. Look at all these beautiful feathers. Birds. Birds come in many different colors, shapes, and personalities. Some birds are really big. Others are tiny, like the hummingbird. Some like to show off, while others would rather watch. Some birds are very noisy. Others sing a sweet and tender song. Some like to go on long journeys. Others like to stay cozy at home. Most like to build nests from branches. Some prefer a roof over their head. But no matter what, nearly all like to have conversations. Tweet, tweet, calls one. Cheep, cheep, replies another. For every call, there is a response. A bird's song is like the loving words of a friend. A happy song that greets us every morning. And our hearts sing too, because birds are like good news coming. Or a message of peace. Birds are like thoughts. They come, stay a while, and then fly away. They fly where their hearts call them. Birds are free. They make our imaginations soar. End. Hope you enjoyed that book.